You might know. Why are we doing this international Khatam-e-Nubuwwat mission talking about Aisha? Aisha is a representative of the personality of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Love for Aisha is love for Rasulullah. Respect for Aisha is respect for Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Just as if anybody says anything inappropriate, indecent towards your wife, you wouldn't tolerate it. And you think Rasulullah resting in his noble grave would tolerate the rubbish which people are trying to throw at Aisha radiallahu anha? Last year, in September, October, the Shias, and I'll say it openly, clearly, when they have no shame, so why should we beat around the bush? We don't need to beat around the bush. And when they clearly celebrated the death of Aisha on the YouTube. Go and have a look. We're living in times of fitan and fasad, evil and corruption. No longer, if anybody didn't know, 30, 40 years ago, if you didn't know who Shias were, or any other fitna, Qadianiyat, or Ghair Muqalladiyat, or whatever, it didn't really bother you too much. You minded your own business and they got along with their business. But now everything is being bombarded at your doorstep. In your houses, these channels and other things and fitan and fasad. Your children are sitting on the computer. They don't even need to sit on their computer. They carry it in their pockets 24/7. And they're spending time on YouTubes and other things. They are surfacing the internet and they come across this filth. They're slandering the wives of Rasulullah. In this filthy program, they sang a nasheed, Aisha finnar. It's on the YouTube. That Aisha, na'uzu billah, is in Jahannam. Allahu Akbar. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. And people are, in many places, we go to, they say, Maulana, please don't talk about controversial issues. Maulana, koi ikhtilafi masla nahi bayan karna apne. This is a controversial issue. This is a part and parcel of your iman. If anybody says anything inappropriate towards your mother, you wouldn't tolerate it. How can you tolerate anything inappropriate towards the mother of the ummah, the daughter of Abu Bakr, radiyallahu anhu, the wife of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam? I put out a challenge. If any Shia in his right frame of mind would dare, I am making dua now. Ya Allah, wherever Aisha is, put me there. Put me there. Obviously, we don't deserve to be where she is. She'll be in the Most High. But somewhere low down under her feet, Ya Allah, take us all there. If they have the nerve, would they make dua, Ya Allah, wherever Aisha is, put us in the other place. Because we know Aisha is in Jannah. And if anybody hates her, and Allah will not allow such a filthy heart to infest Jannah, which has the hatred of Aisha in his heart.